In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make TradingView Background White. This is a quick adjustment that can make your charts easier to read in bright environments, improve the look of screenshots and prints, and give your workspace a cleaner, more neutral feel. Start by opening TradingView and looking to the top right corner of the screen. Up there, you'll see either the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, or your profile avatar if you're signed in. Click either one. Both open the same quick access area where you can change how the platform looks and feels. If you're on the web, desktop, or mobile app, the layout might vary slightly, but that top right access point is consistent. In the panel that opens, look for the option labeled Theme. This is the control that sets the overall color scheme for TradingView. Theme affects more than just the chart itself. It also adjusts the background of panels, toolbars, watch lists, and many interface elements to make them match. Choosing the right theme helps ensure good contrast for your candles, indicators, and drawings, and it keeps the entire workspace visually consistent. Once you've located theme, select Light. As soon as you choose Light, TradingView will apply the change immediately. You'll see the chart background turn white, and supporting panels and menus will switch to the light color scheme as well. There's no extra confirmation needed. The update happens in real time, so you can instantly see how it looks with your current chart setup. A few helpful notes as the change takes effect. Most default chart colors are designed to adapt well to the light theme, so your candles, grid lines, and text should remain clear and readable against the white background. This is especially useful if you share charts, embed them in documents, or present them during meetings, since a white background often provides clean, high-contrast visuals. If you work in bright rooms or rely on printed charts, the light theme can reduce glare on screens and produce more consistent results on paper. If you're signed into your TradingView account, your theme preference is tied to your profile, so it should stay consistent the next time you open the platform on the same device. And if you switch devices, TradingView typically remembers your last choice once you log in, keeping your workspace familiar and consistent. That's all it takes. Open the top right menu or your avatar, go to Theme, and choose Light. Enjoy your charts with a crisp, white background.